Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So as I've posted previously, and as you may well know, when a new Windows installation is set up, there may be a temporary security risk due to outdated Microsoft Defender protection in the ISO installation image files. And this happens because the anti-malware software included in these ISO image files might not be up to date, as I have posted previously. Now, once again, because of this, just a quick video to let you know that once again Microsoft has updated the Defender definitions to protect against Windows ISO image malware. And here we can see the feature supports the following OS installation images. So basically, that's Windows across the board. And here's the latest version for the Security Intelligence update, 1.445.323.0. And that's nice to see that that has been updated. Now, although it's been updated, if we head to my Windows Security app and I head to Virus and Threat Protection Updates, the latest version at the time of posting through the security update, through Windows update, is 1.447, which is newer than 1.445, but at least, although it's not the latest version, it is newer than the previous version I posted on about a month ago. And Microsoft updates the Defender definitions for ISO image files about once a month. So I like to put it out there because I know a lot of you do clean installs using ISOs and setting up Windows. So it's nice to see that that protection gap at least is being closed a little bit more, although it's not the latest version. And here's the different package sizes for ARM 32-bit and 64-bit. And here's where you can download the different installation image, and I'll leave this page in the description for easy access and reference if you'd like that. So nice to see that that's been updated, because the update package is necessary, as a Windows installation image may contain old, outdated anti-malware definitions and software binaries. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.